Hi there, students. Wear and tear. So wear and tear talks about the damage caused to something by normal, ordinary use. So if you buy a pair of shoes, they're going to last you probably a couple of years or a year until they completely wear out. So wear and tear, this is damage to something resulting from normal use of something. So many things have a guarantee, but that guarantee excludes normal wear and tear, because using the object becomes less perfect. For example, a hammer. I quite like the hammer example. If you use a hammer, then there are repeated impacts, bang, 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 by using the hammer. And even when it's properly cared for and it's properly used, eventually, perhaps over time, it will wear out. I don't know. I think a hammer would take a lot of years to wear out, but it certainly is possible. And this is the idea. This is the stress of normal life, of normal usage, using something in the approved way, using it properly, servicing it, doing all of the things it needs, but things still suffer from wear and tear, loss or damage or depreciation resulting from ordinary use of something or ordinary exposure. So I don't know how long does a house last? Well, a normal house has wear and tear. It depends on the quality. It depends on the quality of building, and you can, some things you can repair, and the house you can repair it. Okay, so this is talking about the longevity of something. Okay, so wear and tear, normal usage, the damage that happens to an object when you use it. So, for example, the seats of a car take a lot of wear and tear. We also use this wear and tear is also for depreciation. Depreciation is the process of losing value. And wear and tear, this phrase wear and tear, is often used to talk in accounting, because you buy a machine or you buy something and it has a specific life, and over time you can depreciate this machine or this thing because of wear and tear. Because if it costs you £1,000 and lasts 10 years, then the item loses £100 of value every year, and this you can use depreciation as wear and tear. Okay, so wear and tear, damage from ordinary use, loss, injury, or stress in the course of normal use. Damage that occurs inevitably from something, deterioration from using something, wear and tear, the decrease of of the value of an asset due to use or perhaps obsolescence as well. Wear and tear, it refers to something being broken down over time. It's something slowly falls apart after ordinary use, and this is the idea of wear and tear, the gradual deterioration of a thing, mechanical wear in a machine. A machine doesn't last forever, and that's the point, wear and tear. Eventually it will gradually deteriorate until it's no longer no longer good. Or when you rent a flat, then normal wear and tear can be expected. Yeah, and that's something that the landlord will have to think about. It's damage to components which they go to as they go towards the end of their normal working lives. Yeah, this is wear and tear. Um, I guess you could the wear and tear that has occurred to my body over the years. Yeah, it's just usage of my body, and my body even repairs itself, but it still suffers from wear and tear. Okay, so yeah, damage or change caused when something is being used normally. Okay, so formality, wear and tear. I think I'm going to give this a 5 in formality. I think use absolutely anywhere. And then as to origin, well, wear, to wear down. From Proto-Germanic wasjana, to clothe, but to to or yes, to wear out, to um wear down. Um, and then tear, to break as well. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Wear and tear.